Good morning, students. My name is Raskubekova Gulnur. Let's start our lesson. Look at the screen. There are aims of today's lesson. To talk about nature and its problem, to ask and answer questions, to develop speaking and writing abilities. The results, the pupils will be able to talk about nature in the speech in English. Try to express opinion to answer the questions. So let's continue. There is one image. Look at this picture. What do you see? Mountains, rivers, trees. Yes. Let's guess the title. All right. The title of our lesson: Save the Nature. About nature, animal, about pollution, how to save our Earth. So next. Look at these questions. Do you care about the environment? Do you protect the environment? Do you plant trees? Do you plant flowers to help every people to make each other pictures? In the second title, Introduction to Syntax, Grammar part. What is syntax? Grammar, words and phrases, introducing new word class, problems in definitions of word class. So the first question, word class. Any piece of language, written text or a spoken piece of dialogue consists of words. But how many kinds of words are there? What do words make up? There are 11 word classes, commonly known as parts of speech. Word chunks from larger units, phrases, syntax matters. You will now consider 4 of the 11 word classes: nouns, adjectives, verbs, and adverbs. In short, NAVA words. NAVA content words. Look at the examples. Girl, water, beauty, good, watery, calm, sing, walk, become, now, safely, here. And you should divide these words into groups. Verb, noun, adjective, adverb. Now look at the answers. Noun, girl, water, beauty. Adjective, good, watery, calm. Verb, full verb, sing, walk, become. Adverb, now, safely, here. Do you understand this example? Now, Kanava content words. A noun is a naming word. It refers to a thing, person, substance, and etc. An adjective. The question of adjective is how is a word that describes something about a noun. It denotes a quality. For example, red apple, a long way, short short distance. Next, a verb is a doing word. It refers to an action. For example, to run, to speak, to swim. An adverb is a word that says something about other types of words, such as verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Such definitions are largely semantic. They rely on properties related to meaning of the word. Now look at the text about pollution. The first text is air pollution. Today the air is so polluted in some places that it's not always safe to breathe there. Many cities around the world have air polluted with smog. Smog is brown air pollution that comes from cars and factories. It makes the air unsafe for people, animals, and plants to breathe. Your task is find the nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. And the second task is about water pollution. It's your home task. You should do it at home. Land and the land pollution. So new words from this text. Repeat after me. Listen and repeat after me. Environment. Қоршаған орта. Environment. Pollute. Pollute. Ластау. Pollution. Ластану. Мысалы, ауаның ластануы air pollution. Petrol station. Жанармай бекеті. Factory. Фабрика, завод. Road, жол. Аң терісі. Destroy, жою. Қирату. Spoil, soil, топырақ. Now, енді қайтадан қайталаймыз without translating, аудармасыз. Environment, pollute, pollution, petrol station, factory, road, fur, destroy, soil. That's all. Good. Next, your task, home task. The first task, you should answer this question. What kind of advantages and disadvantages do these companies have? For example, companies in our country. It's the first task. Second, let's play one game. Look at the screen, read the definition, and find the answer in two languages. Қазақша және орысша жауаптарын айтамыз. It is the earth with all people, animals, and plants. Right? The answer world, әлем, мир. Екіншісіне қараймыз. It means to make air, water, soil dirty or dangerously impure. Жауабы to pollute, ластау, загрязнять. The third, үшінші. It means the action of pollute. Жауабы pollution, ластану, загрязнение. Енді үй жұмысымыз осыған ұқсас анықтамалар келтіріп, жауабын үш тілде жазып келеміз. Бұл бізде екінші тапсырма. Келесі. The third task, үшінші тапсырма. To write a composition about ecological problems of our town. Өзіміздің тұрып жатқан қаламыздың экологиялық проблемалар туралы қысқаша текст жазып келеміз. Оған біз келесі суреттегі кестені қолдануымызға болады. Ecological problems. Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, acid rain, soil pollution. Осыларды қолданып текст жазуымызға болады. So, thank you for your attention. Our lesson is over.